Debt capital raising. Debt capital raising. Debt capital raising helps fund growth. Debt capital raising helps fund growth. The company raised debt capital through bonds. The company raised debt capital through bonds. Debt capital raising is key for expansion. Debt capital raising is key for expansion. Book value. Book value. Book value is based on financial statements. Book value is based on financial statements. The stock price is lower than book value. The stock price is lower than book value. The company's book value increased this year. The company's book value increased this year. Depreciation. Depreciation. Depreciation allocates asset costs over time. Depreciation allocates asset costs over time. The company applies depreciation annually. The company applies depreciation annually. Depreciation reduces taxable income. Depreciation reduces taxable income. Government bond. Government bond. Government bonds are low-risk investments. Government bonds are low-risk investments. The government issued new bonds. The government issued new bonds. Investors buy government bonds for security. Investors buy government bonds for security. Securitization. Securitization. Securitization converts assets into securities. Securitization converts assets into securities. Banks use securitization to boost liquidity. Banks use securitization to boost liquidity. Securitization includes mortgage-backed securities. Securitization includes mortgage-backed securities. Securities trading. Securities trading. Securities trading happens on the stock exchange. Securities trading happens on the stock exchange. Securities trading can be volatile. Securities trading can be volatile. He works in securities trading. He works in securities trading. Stock exchange. Stock exchange. The stock exchange lists company stocks. The stock exchange lists company stocks. Shares are traded on the stock exchange. Shares are traded on the stock exchange. The stock exchange operates daily. The stock exchange operates daily. Expenditure. Expenditure. The company's expenditures increased last quarter. The company's expenditures increased last quarter. Reducing expenditure is part of the plan. Reducing expenditure is part of the plan. Track expenditure to avoid overspending. Track expenditure to avoid overspending. Payment terms. Payment terms. The supplier extended payment terms to 60 days. The supplier extended payment terms to 60 days. Payment terms were agreed in the contract. Payment terms were agreed in the contract. The company renegotiated the payment terms. The company renegotiated the payment terms. Index. Index. The stock index tracks market performance. The stock index tracks market performance. Inflation is measured by the Consumer Price Index. Inflation is measured by the Consumer Price Index. The index rose after positive news. The index rose after positive news.